What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see on the title, I am following Daisy Marquez tutorial. So I tried my best to follow everything she did because I did not have any product that she used, so that was kind of a fail. But I kind of tried and used some of the similar products, similar eyeshadows and all that good stuff. On the other note, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am a makeup artist, and I do this on the side, which I do every weekend. Prom is coming, and I just want to let you guys know, if you guys are in the North Carolina area, you can hit me up, send me a DM on Instagram or on Facebook. I will leave my 2 names right here so you guys can find me and send me a message if you are interested in getting your makeup done. So if you guys want to see how I follow Daisy Marquez tutorial, let's go ahead and jump in. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already have my eyebrows done just like Daisy has it. I'm gonna scoot over a little bit over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the video right here. Hopefully, let's see how this is gonna work, because I don't know. She is so pretty, isn't she?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a prom makeup tutorial for all my ladies out there that are going to prom and want to slay all day. So I just did this simple brown smoky eye.
So she's doing a prom tutorial, so which is a good time as well, because you know prom is coming.
Then please keep on watching.
Their intro is so pretty.
So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face.
Okay, so she's already priming. And she's like, she says she's using the Too Faced. Okay, so I do not have the primer, so just so I can be clear, I don't have most of her products. But let's see if we can work something out. So for my primer, I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro primer, and this has been my go-to. You guys probably saw it on the other.
Sliding off my foundation from like the areas that I would get oily, so like my nose and my forehead.
So she put it all over her face.
My foundation stays on all night long. For foundation, of course, my Makeup Forever HD foundation. I honestly have to go.
So for foundation, she's using Makeup Forever. I used to have one, but me la acabé, so it was like finished. So I found a little dupe for that one, which I think it works the same as the Makeup Forever HD foundation. And this is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation, and it's a long wear, and it's not a matte foundation, which I love. Get out.
This one I'm really running out of. You have to make sure that the foundation you are using for prom does not have SPF 15, because that will cause flashback when you take pictures with flash, and we do not want that. So make sure that
she
whatever
just
foundation you
put it in dots all over her face.
This one does not. So if you're trying to buy a new foundation for prom, then
and this one does not have a SPF, like she said.
If you're more on the oily side, I recommend this one, and if you're more on the dry side, then I recommend the stick, because that one does work best with dry skin. For concealer, I'm just using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer, and this one is super lightweight. Another reason why I like this one, because on prom night
so she's using Makeup Forever concealer as well, but I do not have that either. So I'm just gonna stick with my same concealer, which is from Kat Von D on the shade medium.
Do not want your face to get cakey, because you are gonna be dancing on the dance floor all night. So trust me, you are gonna sweat. Not to mention, girls, we are gonna be in like, I'm over here saying we are like, anyways, so since you are gonna be with those long dresses and stuff, you are gonna be struggling to like carry them and all that, and it is gonna make you break a sweat. So try to use products that are super lightweight on the skin.
I don't think she
do not cake up throughout the night.
I don't think she put it on her eyelid, but I think she did at the end. As you can see, she's using a highlighter, but I don't have any liquid highlighters, so I'm just gonna skip that step because I just
let's say you apply your highlight and it's like super.
I use my Patrick
the only one I recommend, which is the Laura
Patrick Star with MAC.
You do not want to use the
setting
powder one. I get that it's great and all that, but you will get flashback. Trust me, especially if it's like in a dark room, you will get flashback. So do not use that one. I highly recommend you get this one, and even if you just buy it for prom night, it's still a really good translucent powder.
I think she's going to bake.
If you want your makeup to last all night, I recommend you set your entire face with translucent powder. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. This will literally make all the difference.
Okay, so I guess we're going to set our whole face. So she went ahead and set everything. Ya estoy bien empanizada. Okay. Okay, girl. Continue.
Today I'm using my Jouer bronzer in the shade Suntan. You guys, I have not used this in forever. You guys knew that I was like obsessed with this for like a really long time.
Okay. So I do not have that bronzer. I do not have the bronzer. So this video is gonna be like I don't have shit that she has, honestly, you know. But I'm gonna try and recreate her look, I guess, with other products. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Caban D.
I don't know why I've stopped using it, but I'm back on it. I forgot how much I loved it.
Can you hold that, bitch?
I'm quickly gonna snatch my nose using that.
Okay, so she's gonna contour her nose, and I am still working on contouring my nose on how to do that. So let's see, I'm gonna follow her steps.
Same bronzer. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on how to contour your nose, then definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up.
Okay, so she's gonna bake on the sides. I do that as well sometimes when I contour my nose.
Meanwhile, my nose bakes, I'm gonna use this blush by Tarte. Honestly, this is one of my favorite blushes at the moment. This one is Natural Beauty. The only reason why I like it is because it lasts 12 hours.
Okay, so she's using a blush and a Tarte blush. And this is the one I have. And it's from Tarte as well.
All the blushes that I usually use do tend to come off. I know the Milani one came off on me pretty often, and I didn't mind because I don't really like blush, but this one stays on. So if you're a really big fan of blush and you want your blush to stay on all night for prom, then I definitely recommend this one because, like I said, it lasts 12 hours. My face is done. Let's go ahead and move on to the eyes. So I went ahead.
Okay, so she already did one of her eyes, so
today.
Okay, we'll
so
see
the
how it
palette
goes.
you're gonna be using for this smoky brown eye is this one right here, which is from Dose of Colors.
I do not have that palette either.
And it is the
oh my god.
Browns, should I say?
Colors.
This is what it looks like.
I think I can pull that look with the Patrick Star what is it? Patrick Star palettes. I think I could kind of pull it off, and probably I can grab some of the brownish colors from Jaclyn Hill palette.
Besides the Dose of Colors palette, I'm also going to be using some Makeup Geek shadows. And you guys know I don't use any other transition shade besides Beaches and Cream by Makeup Geek, which is what I am applying on my lid right now.
So she's using a Makeup Geek eyeshadow, which I do not have, Honey Bun. But, so I think for the first color she's using, I'm going to go ahead and grab this right here. On the crease.
Next, I'm going in with this light brown shade with my Morphe M441. And I'm going to begin to buff that into the crease with windshield wiper motions.
Okay, so she's grabbing a light brown from that palette. Let me see if I can find something similar to that. I think I will be grabbing this color from the Patrick Star Glam as Fuck. Glam AF.
You're going to want to keep going back and forth, picking up more color each time. That way we can intensify it. You don't want to pick up too much product because then you won't be able to take it off. So that's why little by little is the best way to go. Next, I am going in with Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek.
Okay, so she is grabbing a little bit of more of a darker eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this eyeshadow.
My Morphe M443. And I'm just going to be doing the exact same steps as I did before. Color on the lower lash line.
Okay, so she's bringing the color on the under eye.
We are kind of doing that winged effect. As
I have never done this before.
Straight up like a smoky eye, kind of goes outward.
Like use the same brush and bring in the color
just do little flip
like on the lash line.
That way the shadow can distribute outwards. Next shade I'm picking up is this shade right here. It's just like a burgundy color. It's called Cherry Wood. And I'm going to be using the same brush.
So for that color, I think I'm going to use this one and this one on the Go Getter palette.
The last color is this dark brown over here, which is called Rock Bottom, and I'm just using a flat shader brush.
Okay, so she's adding a really brown color on the eyelid. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this eyeshadow from the Glam AF palette. She just went ahead and put it on the eyelid. Oh my god, this shit is pigmented as fuck. Dios mío.
And now I'm just going in with this blending brush just to make sure everything is seamless. And we want to blend both the brown and that burgundy shade that we added earlier. That way you can see the brown a bit more. Now with a super teeny tiny brush, I'm gonna be applying that brown at the very edge of the waterline.
Okay, so we're gonna use the same brown.
The lashes I'm using today are Queen Bees. I have not used these in forever, but I wore these to prom last year and I fell in love.
Okay, so she already popping eyelashes. Okay. Okay, so for lashes, I'm using the Dodo lashes. I do not remember what's the shade, the number, but I will look for it and link it down below.
To make the eye look
so she's going ahead with the black with the black eyeshadow on the waterline. I'm not a fan of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it just of the purpose of the video.
For the inner corner, I'm using my Sleek palette.
Okay, so she already going on the inner corner.
Because it brightens up the eye and it adds a pop of color.
For the inner corner, I will be putting this eyeshadow from this palette. And I always put this on the inner corner. Always.
I'm quickly going to put on some mascara on my bottom lashes and then we're going to go right into the highlight.
Okay, so she's she's going to put mascara, and then she's going straight and jump into her highlighter. But I'm gonna go ahead and be back. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. Finished the other eye, and I think it's looking pretty nice. I like it. I'm not hating. It's really cute. Super cute. And hopefully they look the same color, because I have such a bad memory. I have such a bad memory where I was starting this eye and I was like, wait, which color did I start it with? So I'm like, but anyways, let's go ahead and finish this tutorial with Daisy.
So for highlighter today, I'm using So Hollywood by Anastasia, and mine is still broken, you
Okay,
guys.
so like I said earlier, she already starting with her highlighter, and I do not have, but I just stick to my red eye, like always, Fuego, and with this is I can't talk. Well, you guys already know.
This is still up to this day one of my favorite highlights. Oh, it's so freaking nice. See the fact that we added the highlighting under.
She is way lighter than me, so you know.
Remember to always smile and apply highlight to.
I don't have apples, so girl.
Smile for a picture so you can still see your highlight.
Okay, so she put a little bit over here. And it looked like she put some in her nose, so I'm going to go ahead and do that.
For lips, I'm using this Liquid Velvet in the shade Oh Honey. It's my favorite lipstick at the moment. It's just like the perfect.
Okay, so for her lips, she's using an Ofra lipstick. But I think I have a similar color to that. So let me go ahead and grab it. Okay, so for the lips, I will be using this one from Kylie. It's one of her mini ass lipsticks. They're so cute. I love tiny stuff. But this is on the ginger color. And creo que ya ni tiene because, girl, I used to love this lipstick so much. Oh my god, you see?
So now that is done, I'm just going to set my face with my
so now
spit.
she's setting her makeup. Okay, so I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus. I could not breathe.
For this tutorial, I hope you guys enjoyed the smoky brown eye, and as always, I'm going to be giving away an item that I used in this video. Can you guys guess what it is? I'm going to give you all a second to guess. I'm giving away a So Hollywood highlighter by ABH. They came out with these for like, I think like 2 days or something like that. I think it was like for Black Friday, and I bought one for myself, but I still use this one because it still has a lot of product. So I just had this one laying around, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to give it to one of my little flowers. So, the question of the day is, what is your favorite Netflix show at the moment? So let me know in the comments down below to enter. And as always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Alright guys, so this is the final look. Trying to follow Daisy's makeup tutorial, and it was a prom tutorial, so hopefully it's a little helpful. That will be all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys on my next video.